Chateau de la Roche is one of the most incredibly newly constructed homes up for grabs in the tri-state region. A lavish estate nestled on a massive 2-acre lot with everything you could ever wish for, and then some. Built to the highest level of construction specifications and using nothing but the finest materials inside and out, this extraordinary steel, limestone, and slate home offers more than 25,000 square feet of unparalleled symmetry, elegance, and grandeur. Guarded by a gate, the spread is first experienced through a columned portico under which lie doors of wrought iron and glass. Unapologetic opulence ensues in every direction. The home itself has a feeling of grand elegance, with special touches everywhere you might turn your head, from paneled walls to high ceilings to artfully designed elements. Chateau de la Roche has several banquet-sized reception rooms, a formal dining area, and a high-end chef's kitchen, 7 bedrooms, 9 full bathrooms, 3 half baths, an office, and many other bespoke amenities. It's a home built for people who want nothing but the best, and at $25 million, it comes with all these exquisite furnishings included. A pub complete with beer taps, a 2,000-bottle wine cellar, a gym with hot and cold plunge pools, and a 15-seat home theater support the 7 bedrooms. And it features landscaped grounds like no other, with a circular courtyard driveway, a stunning current pool, a lovely spa, pool house, an enormous outdoor kitchen loggia next to the pool house, a fire pit, and a gazebo. There are also staff quarters, plus an elevator to take a new owner from floor to floor. The Chateau-style manor was constructed over 4 years to the highest standards of craftsmanship, in a collaboration led by architect Robert Zampolin, builder Ron Badalamenti, interior design by Interiors by Denise, and an accomplished team of artisans, artists, and masons. Asking $25 million, the French-inspired limestone manor is the epitome of living large.